One of the cool things that I saw you present at the last Shark Retreat is kind of like the types of content that people should be creating.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people just like focus on like, value, but you talked about like, origin story. You talked about a bunch of other types of content that basically help them build a personal brand.
Yeah.
Can you touch on that a little bit?
So there's like story content, telling your story. There's value add content, sharing your area expertise, your best tips. There's testimonial content, sharing case studies and stories of people you've helped be successful. There's behind the scenes lifestyle content, what I call is like having your own reality TV show. So like, hey, I'm recording today. I'm going to the gym. It's bringing people into your life. So it's that impromptu stuff. Then there's fun, entertaining content association. So one of the videos you saw in there is one of my friends is Rob Angel. He created Pictionary. So I did a video with Rob Angel. We're playing Pictionary, and then we made a lesson behind it. Who doesn't want to see the founder of Pictionary play Pictionary? So intriguing stuff. I look at it as you are the producer of your own show, your own film. Every day when you travel to a studio, you travel to a city, you go to your office, that is your studio. That is your landscape. That is the film people are watching. So if you bring people into that film and entertain them, inspire them, educate them, motivate them, create some kind of emotion, they're going to get to know you and they're going to want to keep watching your film.
Yeah.
And so that's how I look at it, and be creative, be yourself, and have fun with it.
Absolutely.
If you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and follow for more.
That's so fire!
Fire, fire, fire!
That's so fire, baby! That's so fire!
Fire!
That's so fire!